Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. It's been a while since I've poured. It's been a crazy week, and well, I had a festival this weekend, so I'm just kind of recuperating from all of that. I had issues with vertigo, and so I laid low for a couple of days, so I wanted to get back to pouring. And I had this idea in my head. I don't know if it's going to work. We'll give it a try and see. I have all Deco Art paints that are mixed from a class that I have left over. And I sometimes get the Deco Art large bottles that are 16 ounces, but you can definitely get the 2-ounce bottles for your project. That's totally up to you. I use the 16-ounce bottles when I'm teaching classes. It just goes a lot further. I wanted to do kind of a tree ring pour. So I'm going to do 4 cups first in layers. And I want to try to put about the same amount of paint in each one. I got a little more than that one, so I'm going to go back and add a little bit to the others. These are 3-ounce bathroom cups. Everything is mixed 1-to-1 with Floetrol. Floetrol, latex based. That's my go-to recipe, and I don't really add water with Deco Art unless it's a metallic. Sometimes I'll add water to a metallic. I have white in a cup. I want this layered, so I'm going to try to layer it. Again, I'm trying to put about the same amount in each cup, so it's kind of a guesswork here. So about keep the evenness of the cup as much as possible. And then I'm going to do the same thing with 4 more cups. On this one, I'm going to use purples. This is violet mixed with Dioxazine Purple. I like a violety purple, and this is quinacridone magenta, primary magenta. Okay, these are pretty full, which is probably going to make it difficult for me to pour out of, but I'm going to attempt it. So that was purple and primary magenta and mixture of the 2 to get a violet color. Orange flame, true red, primary yellow, titanium white. So I should have started closer to the edge. This paint has also sat for about a week, so it's a little bit on the thicker side. Which is not easy with going in 8 different directions. All this has OGX in it too, which makes the cells. And I'm not going to be able to do what I wanted to do. Got some drips here on the table. I'm going to put up here as well because it's gonna still pour off, but I'm just going to go ahead and use what paint I can. So now I'm just going to tilt. When you don't like something, you just keep playing. If nothing else, it's a learning experience. Keep playing. It's all about having fun. So you swipe too much and it's going to be very muddy. So I'm just starting fresh. I have a plastic sheet that is laminated together and it's the right width, so I'm going to try. This might make a good background for something happy painted on top of it. I'm not sure. Like a silhouette or something. I'll have to figure out what I want that something to be. There's a few little grayed up areas, but otherwise it's okay. I'm going to shift it just a bit. And then I'm going to shift it back to unscrunch some of the cells because you don't want them, because of the weight of the paint, you don't want them squishing. So I think I can live with this as a background for something. It will not be a final painting because I don't care for it for a final painting, but it will be a good background. Okay, I think I'm going to stop with this one. I'll bring it up to you. So the TreeRing thing did not work like what I envisioned in my mind, which, you know, that often happens to us with fluid art. So you just go with your gut. I have some little plastic sheets that stickers were on, so it's, you know, kind of a slick plastic. I'm going to just dip just to see what comes up. So nothing super fantastic, but kind of pretty. Like I said, they're just little thin sheets of plastic. Even the paint's actually pulling away from it because they had stickers on them. Got some tiles. I'm just gonna smash a balloon in. For fun. So I have one big mess here. But then I can play in the paint like a little kid. Somebody mentioned that they let their paints thicken up when they do a balloon smash. That way they don't blend so much, but I'm just smashing for fun. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Check out all the links below, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.